Big disappointment. I have no other words. So Meta is discontinuing Meta Horizon Worlds, and this means also that Hyperscape is affected. And if you're following me since a while, I got very passionate about all the Hyperscape scans. I went around with the VR headset scanning here and there, and I also started a community around it that, okay, it's not only Hyperscape, but still, it was such a powerful use case and technology as well. And now they're shutting it down. I don't know. I don't understand Meta here. And the reasoning is that they're focusing on mobile more. And yes, of course, I understand the user experience is different on mobile. Everyone knows how to use it already. And yeah, they're also focusing on wearables. So the glasses with AI, which is easier to build than headset. They will continue to build headset, but they're pulling the plug on software, basically VR software. They still allow third-party apps in VR, but still is a huge change of direction. And they're focusing on AI, which, by the way, for everyone who doesn't know, it has a very low return of investment now. At least all the big talk about OpenAI, Copilot, and all these similar things is more talk than actual return of investment. So I don't think that is going to generate that much revenue to people. And there is also a link here that I can show you. So that is the announcement. Okay, there was a previous update, and they're separating two platforms basically. The Horizon World. So Horizon Worlds and events will no longer appear in the store on Quest. And about Hyperscape, is moving out of Horizon Worlds. If you scan anything with the Hyperscape, it will remain so you can see it. You can continue to capture, but I guess until the deadline, which is June, basically. But you cannot share it. So if you cannot share it, what's the point, right? So, I mean, sure, you can see it, but it's very limited the use case if you cannot share it with others. You want others to be able to see it. So yeah, this is happening. Everyone had the sense that they were kind of shifting focus and not pulling the plug completely, but less resources were working on it, and the attention was elsewhere. But this is worse than we thought, actually. So it's not just Hyperscape, it's not just this application. They're actually closing words. And as far as I know, many developers created words in Meta Horizon. So all the time was kind of lost. Of course, maybe they made some revenue, but yeah, now they have to start from scratch with something else. And this affects also creators because they were creating clothes. For example, I started and I made my 10 euro dollars, my $10 in clothes. And yeah, I mean, that was an experience. Now it will end. I didn't get rich with it, of course, but still. So everyone is disappointed. It's literally something that we saw it coming, but not that bad, let's say. So yeah, let me know what you think. Why Meta? Really? It's not cool. Not cool.